Ever wondered how to make a live sketch with a 360 view on the street? Picture this. You're immersed in the world around you, capturing the essence of life in motion. This is the magic of live sketching with a 360 view. It's dynamic, it's inclusive, it's art that truly speaks to the hustle and bustle of our everyday lives. It's a way of seeing and interpreting the world that's as unique as you are. Today, we are going to guide you through this fascinating process. The first step is observation. As artists, our eyes are perhaps our most important tool. They allow us to soak in the world around us, to absorb every detail, every movement, every interaction. Picture yourself on a bustling street. People are walking by, each with their own unique stride and pace. Some are rushing, their faces set in grim determination. Others are leisurely strolling, their eyes wandering just like yours. Your job as an artist is to capture these moments, these interactions. To do that, you need to observe and select. Look for the interesting, the unusual. Maybe it's a man walking his dog or a woman laughing with her child. Perhaps it's a group of teenagers engrossed in their phones. Each of these offers a story, a dynamic, engaging subject for your live sketch. And remember, the key to a great live sketch is not just in your ability to draw, but in your ability to choose a dynamic, engaging subject. Next, you'll need to prepare your sketchbook. This is where the magic begins. Your sketchbook is your canvas, the stage for your live sketch. It's crucial to select a long, horizontally oriented sketchbook. This will allow you to capture the full panorama of the street scene. And don't skimp on quality. A book with paper between 200 to 300 GSM will hold up best to your vigorous sketching and coloring. Now let's talk tools. Your pencils and drawing pens are your allies in bringing the scene to life. A good pencil gives you the control to sketch out the initial lines and shapes, while a drawing pen adds the crisp details that make your sketch pop. And let's not forget watercolors. They provide the final touch, infusing your sketch with a splash of vibrant colors that reflect the real world. With your sketchbook and materials ready, you're all set to start drawing. Now it's time to bring the scene to life on your sketchbook. It's all about capturing the essence of the scene, the movements, the interactions, the life that breathes within it. Start by sketching the people, those walking towards you, those walking away. Look for interesting poses, unique expressions. Remember, every stroke of your pencil or pen is a statement, a narration of the story unfolding before your eyes. As you sketch, keep in mind the 360 view. This isn't just about what's directly in front of you, but what's happening all around you. Turn your head, capture the variety, the diversity of the street life. The beauty of live sketching is in its ability to incorporate more elements, more perspectives. It's not just about a single point of view, but a collection of views forming a complete, vibrant picture. Use your pencil to outline, your pen to define, and your eraser to correct. Be patient, be observant, be flexible. The street is a living, ever-changing entity, and your sketch should reflect that. Don't worry about getting everything perfect. This is about capturing the moment in its raw, authentic form. It's about feeling the rhythm of the street and translating it onto paper. Once you've finished your sketch, it's time to add some color. And remember, color is not just about aesthetics, it's about emotion, about conveying the mood of the scene. So let your palette reflect the spirit of the street. Adding color is the final step in creating your live sketch. This part is where your creation truly comes to life. We'll be using watercolors for this process. Watercolors offer a beautiful, translucent quality that can capture the vibrancy of the scene. Start by applying the lightest colors first. This could be the sky, the pavement, or the walls of the buildings. Gradually layer on the darker tones, observing where shadows fall and where the sunlight hits. Don't be afraid to let colors blend and bleed into each other. It's part of the charm of watercolor. Choosing colors is an art in itself. Look for hues that complement each other and enhance the overall appeal of your sketch. Warm tones can evoke a sunny afternoon, while cool tones can set a tranquil, early morning scene. Remember, it's your interpretation of the scene. Don't be bound by the exact colors you see. Let your creativity flow and trust your instincts. And there you have it, a vibrant live sketch with a 360 view on the street. Now that you've created your masterpiece, why not share it with the world? Show off your talent on social media. It's not just about gaining recognition, it's about inspiring others and being part of a vibrant creative community. Remember to document your work by capturing it on camera. This not only preserves your art, but also allows you to reflect on your progress over time. So, don't be shy. Let the world admire your creativity. Go ahead, inspire others with your art. Happy sketching!